So today we're going to look at how to subtract numbers in standard form, and you still need to leave your answers in standard form. So there are two ways of doing that. So I'm going to do one way and I will explain another way. We have what we call an expansion way, where you have to simplify this. So this is 2.9 times 10 to the power of 6, and then you can multiply that number or else raises to the power of 6. Then you minus 3.8 times 10 to the power of 5. If you have watched the previous video on how to expand, if you haven't, please just revisit on how do we expand this using our standard format principle without a calculator if you don't have one. However, if you have one, these are the number of digits you should have after the comma. So in short, this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how you do it. But in this one, I'm going to use the factorization format. We have on this side, we have 2.9 to the power of times 10 to the power of 6, and on the other side we have times 10 to the power of 5. So you need to find the common number that can get into here and there without leaving a remainder. So in this scenario, I can see that it's 10.5. 10 to the power of 5 can go into 2.9 times 10 to the power of 6, and it can also go into 3.8 times 10 to the power of 5. You can even expand this, then you cancel. Why? Because when we divide, we must minus the powers. So in short, in this one, it's going to be 2.9 times 10 to the power of 1. Why? Because 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 5, it gives us 10 to the power 1. How did I get that? 6 minus 5 give me 1. Then we also have 3.8. Why? Because 10 to the power of 5 divided by 10 to the power of 5, it gives us 10 to the power of 0, because 5 minus 5 is 0. But any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. It's a rule that you need to know. If you have missed the exponential rule, please revisit those rules. And then we have 2.9 to the power of 1. Then, of course, you need to simplify that. So in short, we need to multiply that by 10. Of course, it's going to, how many numbers do we need after the comma? We just need 1. So we're going to say this. So this is going to be 29, or else 2.9, 29.0. So therefore we can say 29 minus 2, 3.8. Then let's simplify this using our calculator. 29 minus 3.8 should give us 25. Or else let me just do it here. 29 minus, remember, this is your units, this is a unit, and this is a tenth. So therefore, it's the same as 29.0 minus 3.8, like that. So therefore, we minus these two. It's going to be 10 minus 8. That gives us 2. Then please do not forget your comma. And then since we borrow 1 here, and some people continuously borrow here, but I need to do it the other way around. So since I borrowed 1 from the tens, I should also consider adding 1 here. Okay, so this will be 4. 9 minus 4, that gives us 5. And 2 minus 0, that's 25. So in short, our answer will be 10 to the power of 5 times 25.2. Remember, we want to leave our answer in a standard form in multiples of 10. So therefore, 25, yes, it can be also divided by 10. So in short, we're also going to expand this. How do we expand it? The moment that you move here, it's going to be 10 to the power of 5 times 2 comma 5 2 times 10 to the power of 1. Why? Because we only move once to the left. Alright, so now we're going to group the like terms together. Please do not forget the equal sign. We move the like terms together. It's going to be 2.52 times 10 to the power of 5 plus 1. Remember, when you're multiplying the number with powers, you add the powers. Okay, so that gives us 2.52 times 10 to the power of 6. So this is how you can do your minus on standard format. Let's meet in our next video where we discuss the multiplication and division of standard forms.